Hi guys, in this video how to make a good and perfect attendance sheet in Excel. So first we can select the range of days, then go to insert. Here we can see that there is checkbox, click here, and in this cell we can write a formula like equal count f bracket and select this range and then comma write true and then bracket close and the symbol of divide and counter and bracket and select this range again and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that there is no percentage, so we can select this cell and go to home. Here we can click percentage. We can also color for this row, so go to conditional format. Here we can select color scales and we can select this one, so we can apply this formula to all cells. Here we can only check box, click here. Here we can see there are 20%, then 2, so there are 40%. I have clicked here like this, so here we can see that they are automatically green and also get the value in percentage. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.